Hi, I'm Laura Bodian, and I have a private practice called Tapestry Wellness, where I specialize in providing holistic support for women on fertility, pregnancy, and mom-baby journeys. I've been an occupational therapist for over 25 years, and I'm certified in Biodynamic Craniosacral Therapy and Somatic Experiencing, which are therapeutic approaches that can help balance the nervous system and deepen mom-baby connections. I feel fortunate to have studied with many pioneers in their field, including Ray Castellino in his prenatal and birth therapy training. I do a free discovery call with all potential clients, and recently had someone decide to work with me because she said I seem like a master of my craft. I love that because it really captures the essence of all my professional experience and credentials, my extraordinary intuitive abilities, and my passion for helping babies get off to the best start possible in life. Looking forward to meeting you.